In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change timeline resolution in Davinci Resolve. First, launch Davinci Resolve from your desktop and open the project you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, go ahead and create a new project so you have a clean place to test these settings. The process is the same, whether you're updating an existing edit or setting up a brand new timeline. Next, look to the media pool, typically in the top left area of the interface. This is where your clips and timelines live. Find the timeline you want to adjust. If you have multiple timelines, make sure you're selecting the one you intend to change, since the resolution you set here will apply specifically to that timeline. Right-click on your timeline in the media pool. In the context menu that appears, hover over Timelines, then choose Timeline Settings. This opens a dedicated window where you can customize how this particular timeline behaves, separate from your overall project defaults. At the bottom of the Timeline Settings window, uncheck the box labeled Use Project Settings. This is the key step that unlocks all the options. By default, timelines inherit the project's master settings. Turning this off lets you fine-tune resolution just for this timeline without affecting others in the same project. Now, go to the Format tab. Look for the Resolution drop-down and choose the size you need. Common choices include 1920 by 1080 for standard HD and 3840 by 2160 for 4K UHD. Pick the resolution that matches your delivery platform or source footage. Keep in mind that changing timeline resolution doesn't alter your original media. It changes how the footage is framed and scaled inside the timeline. If you move from a wider aspect ratio to a taller one, or vice versa, you may notice letterboxing or cropping depending on your existing scaling settings. That's normal. Just be aware you might want to review key shots afterward to confirm the composition still looks right. Once you've selected your new resolution, click OK. Resolve will update the timeline immediately. Playback and viewer size will reflect your choice, and renders from this timeline will follow the new resolution. If you push to a higher resolution and notice performance dips, that's usually due to the increased processing demand. Using optimized media or proxies can help, but the important thing is that your resolution change is now applied. And that's it. You've successfully changed your timeline resolution, giving you control to match different deliverables, experiment with formats, or refine the look of your edit without disrupting the rest of your project.